As I was riding, I did not knew where I was going. It was totally unplanned. I was totally unprepared. I didn't knew where the road were taking me. I just went on the highway to get somewhere where I can get myself. It was a bullet straight highway, and I was riding.
Right now I am here somewhere after Sattigarh and before somewhere in the middle of the highway, and I have done almost 100 kilometers from my place, that is Bali, and I just stopped here to have some water and then I will leave. And also the reason behind stopping is I checked the map. It says that after Panagar I have to take a left turn which will take me to CHECHURIA. And that is the reason why I stopped to have some water and as well as check the map. And then I have a plan that I will go directly to MUKUTMANIPUR instead of CHECHURIA. So let's see what happens. You are there to witness, right?
Ever had fights? Ever had fight with your girlfriend? Ever had fight with your mom or your dad or your close ones? Ever felt like you could not breathe sitting at home? If you have a motorcycle, what would you do? You have two options: get out with the motorcycle or just sulk sitting at the corner, or do corner with the motorcycle. I chose the latter one.
দাঁড়াতে দেবে গাড়ি নিয়ে? এখানে দাঁড়াতে দেবে গাড়ি নিয়ে একটু? বলছি যে এখানে গাড়ি নিয়ে দাঁড়াতে দেয়? মানে আমি ছবি তুলবো তো, ওই জন্য বলছি। অসুবিধা আছে? It feels so nice talking to strangers like that, and he was really kind.
And slowly and steadily I was getting myself. I was getting into the thing. I was getting into the nature, the place where I belong. The roads were calling me. The straight patches was just asking me to go on and on. I was going through and through, enjoying each and every bit of it. It was all me and the roads. Just stopped over here to take some break. My hand is really aching. You can see this, mark. Riding for 100 kilometers continuous on that too on R15. The gloves are really good. These Rynox Evolution gloves are really good. Leave all, I need to pee. More 20 kilometers left. Ooh, what the fuck? Let me pee. Go in, take care of yourself. I'm coming after peeing.
On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There was sand and hills and rain. The first thing I met was a fly with a buzz and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, you can remember your name, 'cause there ain't no one for to give you no pain. La 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 la.
ড্যামে যাবো কোন দিক দিয়ে? Okay, so finally reached Mukutmanipur, and this is where Queen is parked, and that is the place where I had some coke and cakes. And these are all the bikes. Many other bikers have come from Asansol. They were very good to me. Both the cam battery was dead and I was not able to shoot anything. So one of the rider from that group said that he is having a charger, and he charged my camera through his bike. So thank you. And they all went for a boat ride to that something deer park or something is there. I didn't go because I don't have much time to go there, and the time right now is almost 2. I need to leave by 3:30 or 4 because I need to get back before it gets dark. Other than that, the place is just worth it, man, just worth it. Just look at the view. It's really awesome. And now I'm going to, it's a okay, by the way, this is a Kongshabati river, and this is a dam area. This is the highway. I mean, this is the road which goes straight. It's a stretch of almost near about 7 to 8 kilometers or so. So that is the thing, and I'm going down. So let's go. Great place, man. Woo. I wish I would have brought a half pant, so that I can get into it, take a shower, take a bath over here. Just look at this place, man. It's so calm. Just listen to the water, sound of water. So fresh water. I should wet my legs at least. I should. Finally I did it. Well, the water is not that cool. It's okay, and you know it's warm. You can enjoy it. It's not that cool. It's not that hot. It's literally warm and comfortable for everyone. And I can't go more because it's a bit deep. No problem, but you know my pants will get wet, and I need to get back home as well. I don't want to get wet and get back. As you can see over there is something, some hill over there. What a view, man! Just what a view. Worth it, worth it. Yes, I did it, man. Well, now it's going to be tough. These pebbles and I'm barefooted completely. Really, man. Those who didn't came over here, to my all my rider friends out there, please do come over here. Don't miss this place. It's worth it, and it's, you know, in this series of exploring the offbeats of Bengal, this is the best place till now for me. This is the best place to visit for the riders, especially for the riders. You know, the stretch you get is damn sexy, man. It's damn sexy. You'll love it. Oh, this is really climbing a mountain, sort of. Debrup, you missed it, my boy. Fuck. Yeah. Check it out, boys. You wanna see something? See. Oh man, what a view, man, what a view. Worth it, worth it! Woo! What a view! Oh man, it's so calm and quiet, and I'm standing right in the middle of the road, and there is Queen. That side is all the, you know, greenery, and this side is all blue. Oh man, what a view. Let me show myself. Guys, please never ever miss this place. Please, it's my request to all of you who are watching, all my subscribers, all my viewers. Please don't. It's worth it. So I think I should end it over here. I need to get back home as well. I will go straight there. Let's see what's there. If I get a chance, if I get something, you know, different, obviously I will get. I know I have, you know, trust in this place. So if I get, then I will show you. Or else, this is it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then do hit the like button. Actually, the sun is striking directly to my eyes, so I couldn't talk to you in proper way. Well, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, then do hit the like button. Do bang the thumbs up button. Share with your friends and let them know about this place. This place is worth for all the riders out there. Even you can come by car. It's always worth. The place is. So that's it. And I won't say to subscribe. Like it, enjoy my journey. Thank you.